Hi there, if you've got a horrible grinding noise coming from your Tesla wheel that sounds like metal on metal, sounds horrendous, sounds something like this, then I think I've probably got the fix for you. And the good news is it doesn't require a trip to the Tesla service center. It's something that you can do yourself in a couple of minutes. So that horrible noise is likely to be caused by a stone or some debris being trapped inside the brake disc cover. Now, all we need to do is basically flex that brake disc cover and remove that stone or debris so there's nothing grinding together. So the way to do this would be first to remove any aerial covers that you've got. Secondly, the brake disc cover itself is quite flexible, so you just want to flex the different sides of it until the stone drops out of the bottom or the debris is cleared enough. So you can do this by hand by gently flexing away the different sections, and you might feel or hear this stone dropping down. However, in my case, there was not a single stone that was causing the problem. I think it was a collection of debris. So I'd used a few tools in addition to just my bare hands, so I could actually get a bit more force and bring the brake disc cover a bit further apart to try and ease anything out. After about 5 minutes of trying, I had to go and do something else anyways, so I thought I'd give it a quick test and see if the noise was still there. And lo and behold, when I drove it, the noise had gone. So in my case, it was just some debris, not one big stone that you're looking for. So that's worth bearing in mind. I hope this video has helped you to get rid of that horrible noise. If it did, then I'd appreciate it if you could give this video a like and potentially subscribe if you're interested in other Tesla videos. I'll see you in the next video.